Sawadika.
Sawadee clap.
That both means it's a female and male version of
Hi.
hello in Thai.
Hi.
That's right. So here we are. We have officially moved on from our bungalow in the Dolphin, and
Super sad.
we are all sad about it.
Look, the perfection.
The perfection, yes, the sunset. Oh, reflection, yes. And the sunset is super beautiful. So we have moved on to First and Frang, and I just thought I'd do a little room tour here.
It's amazing.
So let me show you. Charlie did something apparently hilarious.
So the water, like, it went down slowly. So I was washing your hands, it went down slowly, then suddenly it started going out like crazy.
So this is our new room, and so we had 2 bungalows, and right now for about $40, $45 maybe per night in this room, we have AC.
Which I need to interject. So excited about AC! Aircon for the rest of you folks in the rest of the world, not AC, aircon. It feels amazing.
So
Hello.
so basically,
Don't give away
I'm not
before we give the room tour.
I'm not as excited about the AC. I am excited, but what I'm most excited about is the hot shower that is coming.
yeah.
So basically, we have 2
I'm really excited
Two
about
queen size-
this.
Oh, don't get on the bed yet until
we have 2
wash
queen
our
size
sandy
bed.
feet, please.
And
I love this part.
we have
Give
these
me-
little swans like on a cruise.
No, there is a heart.
A heart. Oh, 2 swans making a heart. Or maybe it's just a heart. Okay. Not
Alright,
swans.
Not swans making a
Look
heart.
at the pillow.
Only a heart.
And oh, that's true.
I
And
just
the
want to say
pillows are
happy
hearts.
Valentine's Day. It was a big surprise. This is for you all, so enjoy.
Happy
Yeah.
Valentine's.
We're going somewhere else on Valentine's Day. You know that, right? We'll be on an island.
Oh, this is it. Right?
A new island. All right, so here we are. Here we have a fridge, which we also have not had. We have a
Also,
sink.
but watch this. Watch this. Oh!
Water just had to get to the pipe, girl.
Wow. This is my favorite part
All right.
about the fridge.
So we have like a little fridge magnet, and we loves it. So we have two queen size beds. We have a fridge. We have so, and then oh, I didn't even realize this. In here we actually have a tub, and we actually have look, hot water. So super excited about that. And Ryder. There's
In the
a
background.
and there is so this one really kind of simple but nice, and we're excited to be here. And then right outside we are in Thong Sala, and you can see kind of the city a little bit here. And we'll be here for another couple days before we hit a new island. All right, talk to y'all soon. Bye.
Smile country.
Goodbye from the land of smiles.